Good morning, students. This is your second video of Lifeline of National Economy. So we are studying airways. You can see here uh, airways transport in India is an important transport system of the country. It plays an important role in northeastern part of the country because of strategic reason. It has frequent flood, dense forest and presence of big river and limited population. So air transport has made access easier. You can see here they are the air routes of your India. You can say Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, they are the Chennai, they are the hub airports of your country. So the main features of railways are it travel fastest. You can say that ki air routes it is a fastest route of your traveling, and it is the most comfortable mode of transport. It can cross difficult terrain such as mountain, desert, forest and oceans, as well as remote and hostile areas with ease and speed, and it plays a vital role during natural and human made calamities and is especially useful during war. So in the air transport was nationalized in 1953. At present in India, 12 international and 112 domestic airports present here. And you can see here they are the major international airports here. Amritsar in Rajasthansi, Indira Gandhi International, Subhash Chandra Bose Kolkata, Mumbai in Chhatrapati Shivaji, Rajiv Gandhi Hyderabad, and Meenam Bakkam they are in Chennai also. So they and Nedim Bechari they are in Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Now the next one, it is your communication. What is your communication? The communication network is used to send messages from one place to another place, and it is requisite to progress and modern living. Major means of communication in the country are personal communication and mass communication. They are Doordarshan, radio, press and films. Personal communication, so it helps communication information and ideas from one person to another, and it is made through postal network and telecom supported by computers. And in India, the Indian postal network is the largest of the world. You can say that ki in Rajdhan with the to facilitate quick delivery of mails in large town and cities, 6 mail channels we have 6 main channels. The first one, it is your Rajdhani, Metro, Green, Business, Bulk Mail and Periodical channel. They are the 6 channels we have here. Now the next one, what is mass communication? It plays a vital role in the lives of people, and mass communication means communicating with several people at the same time. Like example of mass communication include radio, television, newspaper, magazine and books and films. They broadcast a variety of programs for people of all ages. The programs are transmitted and printed in regional language to reach masses. They provide information and entertainment also, and mass communication create awareness among the people about various national program and policies. Now international trade, exchange of good between two parties such as people, state and countries is called trade, and the market is the place where all the such exchange will take place. Local we can say import and export of goods are component of trade, and the difference between export and import is known as the balance of trade. So the favorable balance of trade, and when the if the value of export is more than the value of export, this is your term of unfavorable balance of trade, and if the export is more than the value of import, that is your favorable balance of trade. We have two balance of trade, favorable and unfavorable. The next one, it is your tourism as a trade. Tourism has become a very big industry in India and has grown substantially over the last 3 decades. Tourism promotes national integration. It helps develop international understanding about our culture and heritage. Over 15 million people are directly engaged in the tourism industry. It has led to the growth of hospitality industry and create job opportunities, and tourism provides support to the local handicrafts and cultural pursuits, and foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism. Favorite tourism destinations are in India: Rajasthan, Goa, Jammu, Kashmir and temple towns of South India, and tourist potential area are located in Northeast India. So they are the some important points of your and events. You can learn it and know very well what are these. Here, Harbor and hinterland. Harbor, it is a deep coast of sea where ships are anchored safely, and hinterland, it is an area served by a port. So learn all the question and answers from this chapter and revise it again and again. Thank you so much.